Let's get real. Air travel isn't exactly a spa day. Between the cramped seats, the mystery meat sandwiches, and the guy in 12B who insists on reclining into your lap, flying can feel like a test of endurance. And for seniors, it's even tougher. But here's a secret. Airlines actually offer a bunch of freebies to make your journey smoother, if you know to ask. No magic words, no hidden fees, just perks hiding in plain sight. So whether you're flying to see the grandkids or finally taking that bucket list trip, here are 15 free things you can and should request on your next flight. Ever land feeling like a crumpled napkin? Many airlines stock free toiletry kits with toothpaste, socks, and even eye masks, especially for seniors on long flights. They won't always offer it, but a polite ask at the galley might score you a mini spa kit. Pro tip: aim for overnight flights. They're more likely to have extras lying around. Navigating an airport the size of a small city? Airlines provide free escorts, golf carts, wheelchairs, or even a staffer to guide you to your gate. Just request it when booking or at check-in. No, you don't need a top hat and monocle to qualify. Airport lounges aren't just for fancy business types. Some airlines let seniors in for free during long layovers, especially if you're flying internationally or have a basic loyalty status. Free snacks, quiet seats, and actual toilets? Worth a shot. Struggling to heave your bag into the bin? Flight attendants will happily help. Just ask as you board. Oh, and here's a little bonus. If you're carrying meds or fragile items, they'll often stash them somewhere safer than under seat 23C. Free upgrades aren't guaranteed, but seniors who ask politely at check-in, especially with a medical or mobility need, sometimes snag better seats. The key phrase to remember is there any extra space today? Works way better than saying, this seat feels like a toaster. Left your headphones at home? No worries. Many airlines will loan them for free, or even hand out tablets preloaded with movies. Just don't expect noise-canceling magic. These are more 1980s Walkman than Bose luxury. Airplanes are either saunas or igloos, no in between. If you're chilly, ask for a blanket early. They often run out, and seniors usually get first dibs. Pro move. Fold it into a lumbar pillow if your back hates airplane seats as much as mine does. Dehydration hits harder as we age. Flight attendants will bring extra water or snacks if you ask. No need to wait for the cart. Need a blood sugar boost? Say the magic words, "I'm feeling a bit lightheaded." Works like a charm. Special meals, like low sodium or diabetic friendly, are free if requested ahead. Forgot to ask? Beg nicely on board? They might have a spare, but maybe pack a granola bar just in case. Need oxygen or help with meds? Airlines can assist, but you must call at least 48 hours ahead. Flight attendants aren't nurses, but they're trained for emergencies. And just so you know, emergency does not include running out of pretzels. Extra legroom seats can be free for seniors if available. Ask at the gate with a smile. Any seats where my knees won't double as a chin rest? The worst they can say is no, but you might just luck out. Many airlines let seniors pick seats for free, especially near restrooms or exits. Be sure to mention any mobility issues when booking. Translation: I'd like to not climb over a sleeping stranger mid-flight. Priority boarding isn't just for elites. Seniors can often board early to avoid the stampede. Pro tip: do it. Nothing says vacation mode like settling in while everyone else fights for overhead space. Even if you only need help for long distances, request a wheelchair when booking. It's 100% free, skips lines, and saves your energy for the fun stuff. Like, judging airport fashion. Here's the big one. Airlines want to help seniors, but they won't read your mind. Polite requests go a long way. And if you get a no, channel your inner grandparent charm. A little kindness or a well-timed young man or young lady works wonders. So next time you fly, remember, you've earned these perks. Pack your patience, your politeness, and maybe some compression socks. Safe travels, and may your seatmate not be a chatty armrest hog. Hit like if you learned something new, and share this with a senior traveler who deserves a smoother trip.